Good morning, student. My name is Dr. Rangnath Kole from Department of Physics. Today we discuss about the electronic components. The basic components are resistor, capacitor, inductor, diode, transistor and ICs. First we see the resistor. Resistance of the resistor is related with conductor. Resistance is the property of any conductor to oppose the flow of current through it. It is measured in unit ohm. The resistance of the conductor is depend upon the length and cross-section area of the conductor. The relation between resistance R, length L and cross-section area A is given by equation. R is directly proportional to L upon A, or R equal to rho into L upon A, where rho is the resistivity of the material. From this equation it is clear that the resistance of the conductor is directly proportional to length of conductor and inversely proportional to its area of cross section. The resistor in the circuit are used to control the current in the circuit. It is also used as a voltage divider in the circuit. The symbol of the resistor is as shown in this figure. The next component is capacitor. Capacitor means it consists of two parallel plates of same cross section area and length and separated by some finite distance. Capacity of capacitor depends upon cross section area and separation distance between the plates. Capacity of the capacitor is given by equation C equal to A upon D, and it is measured in unit farad. From this equation it is clear that capacity is directly proportional to the cross section area of the plates and inversely proportional to the separation distance between the plates. The symbol of capacitor are shown in figure. The first is non-polarized capacitor. This capacitor has no positive and negative terminals, so this capacitor can be connected in circuit in any way. The second capacitor is polarized capacitor. Polarized means it has two polarity, plus and minus, so it is connected in circuit with positive and negative polarities. The capacity of capacitor is denoted by symbol Xc. So the capacity of capacitor, that means capacitive reactance, Xc is equal to 1 upon 2 pi f into C, where f is the frequency of AC signal. From this relation it is clear that capacitive reactance is depend upon frequency of AC signal, and here the proportionality is inverse. So that if we consider DC signal, then for DC signal the value of frequency is 0. Corresponding to this frequency, the capacitive reactance becomes infinity. So that the capacitor block DC signal, so it is called as the blocking capacitor. For AC signal, that means maximum frequency in India it is about 50 Hz. For this maximum frequency, capacitive reactance become 0. It means that it passes AC signal, so it is called as the bypass capacitor. The capacitor can be used in electronic circuit to store the electrical energy. It is used as a filter in the power supply. It is used to set frequency in the oscillator circuit. The next component is inductor. Inductor is simply a coil of wire. Wire should be good conductor of electricity. Inductor is denoted by symbol capital L and it is measured in unit Henry. The symbol of the inductor as shown in figure. The inductive reactance, that means effective resistance of the inductor, is called inductive reactance, denoted by XL, and its equation is XL equal to 2 pi f into L, where L is the frequency of AC signal. From this relation, it is clear that inductive reactance is depend upon the frequency of AC signal, and this dependence is directly. That means when frequency increases, XL also increases. If frequency decreases, the value of XL decreases. First we consider DC signal. For DC signal, frequency is 0. Therefore, XL is also has 0 value. It allows DC signal. For AC signal, maximum frequency f equal to 50 Hz. XL is very high or becomes infinite, so current cannot pass through the inductor. That means AC signal is not allowed to pass through it. The inductor in the circuit are used in transformer, relay and oscillator circuit. Next one is diode. Diode is a semiconductor device with P and N junction. P junction is called as anode and N junction is called as a cathode. Symbol of diode is shown in figure. Diode has unique property, and that property is that current flows in only one direction. So due to this property or this reason, it is used in rectifier circuit. The last component is transistor. Transistor is the 3-terminal device. The terminals are called emitter, base and collector. The symbol is shown in figure. Transistor in electronics can be used for amplification purpose and can be used as a switch.